Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show how you can run the Active Directory health report and also how to run Active Directory security assessment by using Purple Knight community. So first of all, I'm going to show you how you can run the Active Directory health report. So to do that, uh, you need the script. The script will be available in the description link to download. First, run the PowerShell as an administrator mode. Now I kept this script in C script folder. So do a cd to C script, and then uh, you can follow this command to run the report as a report file. So paste it in here, click on enter. So it is testing this, testing my domain controller. I have only one domain controller in here, so it's already done, and the report is in here in the HTML format. So once you click on this, you will find the details of the server that I have. Is the default file, what is the OS version, the IPv4 address, operation master role that I have, and then the DNS, the ping result, uptime result. So all are in here, and if there is any issues, then it will be showing in here, and it will not say it passed. It will be showing the error that your Active Directory has. So in my Active Directory there is no issues, that's why all are green. So you can extract this report, and you can show it or save it to see if your Active Directory health is okay or not. So this is the first one. The second one I wanted to do is to run a Purple Net community to do the security assessment. So this folder you can download, and by downloading this you can use this application to assess your Active Directories total security, that if there is any issues in here, or there is any loop, or any need to improvement for your Active Directory, it's all in here. So let me run this. So first of all, you need to download these packages, and you kept it in a folder. In our case, I kept it in a script folder. So after doing this, you need to unblock the file. Okay, so just copy this line, and then you run it in a PowerShell. So what it do, it unlock the file. Unless you unlock it, you cannot run this, it will not work. So after doing this, you need to run the report uh, by from the PowerShell. You can also do it, no issues. Just copy this one. Okay, before I run it, I need to change the directory. Sorry, I've already in CD. Okay. Okay, or you can directly just run as an administrator in here, no issues. So once you run it, double click on this, it will run. Just need some time to get load. So once it the application is running, click on accept the licenses, click on next. So click on Active Directory. So in my case, I have only one site, so just select the site, click on next. So in here, this is important, you need to check the last one, zero login vulnerability. From here, just check in there. So it will check all the issues. So if this option will might not come, you have to update this. Okay, so far, so after downloading this app, you need to check for update and update it fast. So once the update is done, then you run the application again, and it will show these zero logon uh, vulnerabilities. So I already upload it, sorry, I already download the update, so I don't need to update it again. So now I need to click on the run test. So it already running the test, so it might take some time to run. Total 123 test it will be done. So how much is done, you will see the results in here. So it might take some time. uh, so already 40, 46. So I don't think it take much time. Okay, it's already done. So he in here, my security score is like 82%. So where are the issues in my active directory? If I click on view reports, I will say the view reports. I also uh, uh, take it as a PDF. I also download it, and let's say download in the this file. Also click on view report in here. So once I click on view report, it's giving me the HTML version of the issues that I have. The critical issues that found is the permission change of admin SD holder object, print spooler services enabled on my DC, privileged users with weak password policy. Since I have this is a very new test environment, AD, that I did not apply any policy in here. No policies have been there, so it give me this my issues. Also the other issues that in my DC has, all are in here. So if you want to remediate this or the action plan, I click on read more, and in read more section, it will give me the reference and how I can mitigate this. The reason is there. Remediation steps are in there, so I have to follow. You can follow, and you can resolve this. So it is in the HTML format. I can close on this. I also download the report in here. So the report is in here now also with the full details. So and also share you how you can remediate this, how you can resolve the issues in here. So it will be very helpful for your active directory environment to increase the security score. So you can both these file, both this file you can download from the below link, description link. You can just download and store it to the C script folder, and you can run this command. So it will show you the results like here. So that's it for today. Thank you.